Ebo, we made it again. We made it again. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, or good night, depending on where you are around the world. We made it again today on this beautiful day. So today I'm doing a video. I'm doing a very beautiful and special video on my life. I have some good news to tell you. Good news to tell you. Good news to tell you. So this is how it goes. Since I came back to this country, Republic of Zimbabwe, from South Africa, uh, I got someone whom I know who said, no, you can come back to this country, then we can see what we can do in terms of job opportunity or employment opportunity. So this is my friend, my brother, my good friend, my good brother from way back 10, 11, 12 years ago, when we were together at the university in South Africa. So he's my good friend, he's my good brother. So he told me that no, if things are not well for you or good for you in South Africa, you can come back to Zimbabwe. Then we can see what we can do. We can see what we can do. We can use our minds and our brains together. Then we can develop something good and something very strategic for your life in terms of job or employment opportunity. So the good news that I have today to tell you that I got a job. I got a job in one of the fast rising companies in Zimbabwe, uh, a company that deals with finance products and electronic products. So that's the good news that I have today. I got a job. I got a job in one of the companies in Zimbabwe, fast rising and highly premium companies dealing with the finance products and electronic products or electronic devices all around the country, from Harare to Bulawayo to Masvingo to Mutare to Kwekwe to Kadoma to Zvishawane to Shurugwi, talk of Bindura, talk of Guruwe, all over the country, in every city, in every town of Zimbabwe. So I'm very happy, I'm very elated today to bring this news to you, my subscribers, my fans, my viewers, my followers, all of my people, new and old, who come to visit and watch content on my channel. So I'm very happy, I'm very happy, I'm very happy, very happy, I'm very happy. So I want to see how it looks like. I'm so excited. I want to see how it looks like this current job opportunity or current employment opportunity. So I'm very happy. I'm very excited in my heart, and all praise and glory to God Almighty Jehovah for making this possible and making this a great possibility in my life. So this is the news that I have to share with you, my people. You're looking at a new person who just got something special and something beautiful in terms of a job opportunity or in terms of an employment opportunity. Yeah, so I'm very happy. I'm very elated. So I wanna see how this economy of Zimbabwe looks like and how it is performing, both at a micro level and again at a micro level and the macro level. These two dimensions or these two angles or two sides. So hopefully after Easter, or fortunately enough after Easter, then I have to resume my job duties or job responsibilities at this company. Uh, yes, this company. Since I know the CEO and since also I know the MD of the company, so I have to resume and see how it looks like. Hopefully after Easter conference or after Easter program, I have to resume my job duties, job responsibilities, where I'll be working as a business loans officer. Business loans officer. Yeah, so as time goes on, I'll be updating you on the experiences in the job, the conditions, everything, how it is treating me, everything. So I'll be telling you. So I'm very happy, I'm very excited. To those who are new on this channel, my name is Kudzi Madziro, and the name of the channel is EK Madziro YouTube channel. So I'm the creator, developer, founder of this channel way back in 2019. But then I stopped for about 5 years where I was not shooting content or uploading content. You see, because of other difficulties or challenge that I was facing as a student in South Africa. So, but I'm back again with the bang after banger, bang after banger, bang after banger on this YouTube channel. So thank you very much. Remember to pray. Remember to drink water. It's very healthy. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and comment. Yours is Kudzima Zero. And I'm signing out on this current video. I'm signing out. Sharp.